good, y'all. So check this out. I'm about to do a food review. I'm about to start doing these motherfucking food reviews. So for a starter, my first review is gonna be the Mezeh Mediterranean Grill. What y'all hitting on? I ain't gonna lie, I done already ate half of the motherfucking bowl already. The shit cracked. But I'm about to give a review, see if I can get them motherfuckers put on the map. Check this out. Right here, I got cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, motherfucking corn, kale, rice, basmati rice to be exact, spicy hummus, regular hummus, chickpeas, cilantro vinaigrette, tzatziki sauce, and tahini sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything right here, right? So check this out. Okay, let me cut that. Y'all see how good that shit look? Y'all can't tell me this shit don't look good. Y'all, if you fry right now, if you hit a J already, then nigga. Now I'm in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, so if you ever in the area, you gotta check out Mezeh. I'm not sure what other locations they got it at, but if you ever in Mezeh, you gotta check it out, wherever you are. So let's try this. We got a little bit of everything, right? Okay, let's see. We got a little bit of everything here. So we got the falafel in there. Hold up. So we got the falafel in there. We got the kale. We got the red cabbage, the onions, the rice, of course. We got a little bit of everything in there, man. So let's see what this motherfucker is. That shit right here hit. Like for a little restaurant that don't really get talked about like that. This shit right here good as shit. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 7 out of 10. When you get a chance, check out Mezeh Mediterranean Grill.